I built this, and it is, if you can see how thick it is, and it's tongue and groove, and it was from an old schoolhouse in Michigan that they had torn down. All I did, because it was tongue and groove, was I glued it and clamped it. These are 1x2s. I mitered the corners, so they're cut on 45s. I'm painting this in Dark and Decrepit. I'm gonna baby wipe. And I'm going to run it along those boards, and it's going to give it more of a whitewash look. This is from Label Ephemera, and I'm going to put that right there. So I want to do that over here. So I'm going to, and I know I want it to go up there. So it seems like I have to cut it about right here. I've got this right here that I'm going to put on next. I'm going to cut off that other purple flower. I'll probably use that on the other side. I don't want it totally straight up and down, but I didn't want it on an angle either. I want that to go all the way up over there. And I'm not going to worry about it's a little bit short because I'll cover that with a leaf. So that's where I want that to go.